Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, now today we will be making an awesome juice for you. Yes, immune booster. Yeah, and the truth is you don't want to miss out on anything today, people. So you gotta stay, alright? Stick and stay. Yes, people, so as you can see, go mash, yeah. So today we'll be boiling tea. Yeah. Yeah, so as I said, today we're making an immune booster for you. You know, it's a time when, sickness is upon us, so especially the coronavirus, people. So you'd want to build your immune system for such a time as this. So today, come with us, yeah. As you can see, today we have the coconut, the sour-sop, we have an orange, the carrot, and we have the ginger right here. So we're gonna put them all together for you, right? Country style. And as you can see right here, we don't use blender, people, we use a grater. So this is called a grater, right? So we'll be grating the carrot, the ginger, yes, the orange, and putting it all together. All right, yeah, so come with us. They're all together. So we have the carrot, the ginger, and the sour-sop, right? So this is how we do it in the country. So now we have the orange juice right here. So you have the carrot, the ginger, the sour-sop, and the orange juice right here. We're going to pour the orange juice in. All right, and you don't need any more than one orange in your juice, no more than one. And then after that, you're gonna mix your ingredients together. All right, as you can see right here, right? And as you can see, you use your hand and you mix it all together. And now we're going to pour our coconut water in the mixture. All right, so this is how we do it, people. All right, and then we would mix one more time. All right, and you would want to use all of the water. All right. All your ingredients together. No sugar added, no water added, pure. All right. We are putting the mixture through the strainer. So this is a strainer, people. So the truth is, when you're in the country, you're not focused on using blender and those things. You have to use a strainer and your grater as you have seen before, right? So now we put it through the strainer and we rub it through, rub everything through. Yes, as you can see, all getting ready. All right, and as you can see, oh wow, Yes, people. So we are done making our juice, as you can see. Oh my God! So it's time for me to taste it, right? Yeah. Oh my people, this is the bomb. 100% juice, 100%, and you see that we didn't use any water. No water, people, no sugar added. And the truth is, this is something that you want 100% natural, right? To boost your system. And the truth is, this is what the system loves. We know that, added sugar really slows down the body, and especially the response of the brain. So getting this natural sugar will definitely stimulate your entire system, your immune system, and boost your system for such a time as this, people. So come on, get with it and let's do it. Now, if is it that you can't be bothered with using a grater like myself, yeah, you can use your blender, put your ingredients in, and separate the seeds from the Sour-sop, and put everything in the blender and just enjoy the drink. All right, people, because this is what you want. No sugar added, no water added, 100% juice. All right, so remember to share my videos, all right, to comment and give me a thumbs up, people. Give me a thumbs up. All right, yeah, so stay tuned, stick and stay, and remember to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my excited videos. All right, people, yeah.
Boom.